Realme has been teasing the Neo 7 for the past few days, and today, the brand announced the Neo 7 will be unveiled on December 11th in China at 4 p.m. local time. Realme's Weibo post said the Neo 7 will be released with flagship-level durable performance, amazing durability, and full-level durable quality, sweeping the mid-range. All this is machine-translated from Chinese, but it gives us a fair idea about how Realme wants to position the Neo 7. Realme hasn't divulged any specs of the Neo 7. However, the brand previously confirmed the smartphone would be priced under 2,499 Chinese yuan, $345/Euro 325/INR 29,120 in China. That should be the base model's price. Moreover, the brand said the Realme Neo 7's battery capacity would be more than 6,500 mAh, and the IP rating would be above IP68.